Hello, friends and beautiful people. Hear the generator in the background? So I thought I would give you a little update on what the hurricane meant to us at the quilt shop. Our power went out yesterday at 2 o'clock. We grabbed one of the Blue Eddies, powered all the computers and everything back up, used our Amish lights, and we were good to go. We were able to take credit cards and ring everybody out. There was only one person who we had to manually do, and that's because she was checking out while we were still getting everything going. Let me show you something though, and I know it might not seem like a big deal. So this is, see all the green pine needles on the trees? So a combination of the drought and the storm, and our precious pine trees dropped a crap ton of needles. Over here, see this cypress? Hubs was going to cut it down. I think it's a cypress. I don't know what it is. Was going to cut it down yesterday. We were looking out the window of the shop and it was laying. So we thought maybe the Lord was going to take care of it for him, but it's still there. This is decimated. And that's fine. It was the end of the season. I was getting ready to tie them up, and I'm kind of glad I didn't, so that they could just lay down, and when the winds aren't so strong, I'll stand them back up. But we had winds from 60 to 100 miles an hour. We watched a movie last night using the other Blue Eddy. Obviously, we've got one in the shop. Hubs just went to check on the neighbor, and he's going down to borrow a couple of Amish lights from Miss Linda. But I want to show you the popcorn, because the popcorn, it took a little bit of a hit. You're supposed to let it dry as much as possible on the stalk, and we've got, it's pretty much all laying down. I don't know if you can see it. Let me try to zoom in a little. I don't want to walk down and intrude on anybody. There we go. So there we are. That's, but other than that, we feel blessed. We don't have a lot of damage out there. The dogs didn't want to go out. But today's the last day of the shop hop. And what that means is all these ladies who have come down and spent the night in hotels or wherever down in the southeast part of the state are going to need us to be open. And thankfully, because of the Blue Eddy and because of all of the things that we have done ahead of time with the lights and everything, we're going to be able to take care of them today. But thank goodness it's the last day. I love the shop hop. It's been great for us, but it's really cut into a lot of my me time. I haven't been able to get as much canning done as I wanted. I've shown you the video where I've been doing a little. I'm not going to go too much closer to the generator because that's just distracting. But we're here, and because of our mindset of making sure that we're prepared for events like this, we've been okay. Our daughter in Florida lost everything. So please pray for her and her family as they make some tough decisions and unfortunately learn some hard lessons. I feel so bad for them. I know it's hard, especially for millennials, when things like this happen. You can tell me what you think about that, but I just thankful and grateful that we're here and we're okay. Everyone in our family is safe. I sent out a group text this morning just to make sure everybody's good, and we're getting ready to open the quilt shop. I got to go fire up the computers. So until next time, friends, be blessed and be a blessing.